बीजेपी का नाम अब बदलकर भारतीय जेब काटो पार्टी रख देना चाहिए. The manner and fashion in which Modi government and the BJP are attacking the pockets of the common person is unprecedented, cruel, unheard of and unacceptable. From toll roads to rails, from gas cylinder to everyday use items like vegetables and pulses, BJP is road rolling India's common people. Today is 1st of July, and on the 1st of July, including on the people of Karnataka, BJP has imposed an extremely heavy burden by increasing rail fares by 700 crores annually. And it's a double whammy for Karnataka. For in addition to the 1st April toll hike, BJP has today given a second gift of Mehengai to people of Karnataka by raising toll rates of the Bangalore Elevated Tollway Limited, effective 1st July 2025. I will like to place these facts before the people through you. The BJP government in India promised bullet trains, but gave us derailment, burning coaches, broken hopes and unprecedented inflation. While the rail tracks lie in despair and passengers hang on to life and die in Thane, Maharashtra, as we saw recently in BJP ruled Maharashtra, they are silently, surreptitiously, secretly and gradually hiking tolls and rail fares and squeezing every paisa from commuters of road and rail, the two means of transport for ordinary people in India. And as if toll charges and rail hike was not enough, they are increasing the prices of LPG gas cylinder, vegetable and pulses to a level where it is difficult for ordinary common people, salaried class, middle class, poor people, members of the SC, ST, OBC, minority and general category poor to make both ends meet. I think there will be a time when we will have to provide Z plus security for gas cylinder, for pulses and for other essential commodities. It's not very far. This is not governance, Prime Minister Modi. This is highway robbery. Robbery on rail tracks and robbery on roads. Openly from pockets of people. And on top of it, rail accidents, despair and no repair of rail tracks have made it a jumla of Mehengai, but a reality for common man. So the only thing BJP and Modi government has given us, and Karnataka BJP will of course remain to choose mum, is price hikes.